Hey friends, if we encounter the faulty hardware corrupted page blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first one is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Now click on restart now and check for problems. The next one is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update all drivers, and how would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options, go to optional features, install any updates that are available here, and lastly turn off fast startup, which is actually enabled by default. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the box associated with turn on fast startup. Click on save changes and this will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.